even if you don't feel like it, girlfriend, you can get some done too, okay? I'm tired. I'm tired, boss. I'm tired. Yes, I walked to Target just like that. Well, I didn't walk, but I went into Target. I walked into Target just like this, okay? I'm over it. Understatement, okay? So, first off, we'll start with, I think it's called Brown Romance or Black Romance. Let me see. It's called Black Radiance. Oh, well, there's that. It's Black Radiance. It's True Complexion Loose Setting Powder. So it's like a brown kind of color. The girlies said I needed it, so I bought it. I don't know. I'm more excited for my eyebrows, like getting a good eyebrow routine, because I like getting my eyebrows waxed. I be feeling like that girl, okay? Anyway, we got Milani Gilded Nude. I'm not really like, girl, I don't really do all the colors and all of that. So I was like, I would figure that I'm a shimmer kind of girl and a nude, you know, like neutral, basic kind of girl. So I got the Gilded Nude, and it looks like this. It has like a couple of shades, couple of shimmer shades, and a couple of basic nude shades. Cool, right? Cool. Then I got 2 Target brand beauty blenders. I heard like beauty blenders matter, so I figured I'd give it like a regular blender test trial, and then we'll see what these ones give. Aja recommended the Microfiber Velvet Sponge from Juno & Co. And I got the lavender and the blue color because I couldn't find a pink one that she had. So there's that. I got the NYX Born To Glow. I believe it's like a highlighter and bronzer mix. That's kind of what it was marketed as on the Target shelf. So I got this color as well as this color. Now, why did I get both? Right. So I wanted like a pinky highlighter color. However, I heard that a gold highlighter color would look better on brown skin. So I had to do what I had to do. I have a bite-sized eyeshadow in the, I don't know, colorway Rose Water from e.l.f. I hope that's really coming up on camera. It's like pinks and purples, but it has 2 shimmery colors. So you kind of get where this is going. I like the shimmer, but I also like the basic colors to mix and match the shimmer with. So then I have another bite-sized eyeshadow in the Cream and Sugar colorway. So nudes and some shimmers. Yeah. Figured I would like start there. So anyway, girl, I got Blush and Glow brushes from e.l.f. Here's to trying new shit before I turn 30. Then we have an e.l.f. primer. It is the Hydrating Face Primer. It was this one that I got, and the Poreless Putty primer from e.l.f. Aja also recommended this one, or well, she said that she uses this one, and I was like, oh well, you know, her makeup is cute, so I'll give it a try, and it's, you know, nice on the budget. So that is what we did. Then I have the Makeup Mist and Set Powder. I'm sorry, it's not a powder, it is a spray. All of this stuff sounds foreign to me, girl. I was in Target for 2 hours trying to find makeup. Girl. Anyway. So I also have another bronzer. It is the Putty bronzers in Golden Days, infused with argan oil and vitamin E from e.l.f. So it's cute. It's definitely like a shade or two darker than my skin tone. So we'll see how this does. That was the hardest part, like figuring out what to get, like what colors actually match my skin. Then we have e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, another recommendation from Asia. And I got it in the colors Deep Chestnut and Light Peach. These were the only selection that they had at Target. So, well, these were the closest colors to me at Target. They had another one that was like a 16-hour wear concealer, but it's not given, like, I'm probably not gonna wear makeup for long. I don't care enough to wear makeup for long. I just wanna wear it for a purpose and take that shit off. So I didn't care about it being long lasting wear. I cared more about how my face feels underneath of it, because that's what I have to wear 24/7, 365, okay? Anyway, so these two I'll probably mix and see what color I can get if I feel as though the light peach is too light for highlighting. Not highlighting, for concealing. See these words, girl. We'll see how long this lasts. So I have Maybelline Fit Me Tinted Moisturizer in the color 360. And I have Maybelline Fit Me in the color 360 as well. Just to kind of like mix it a little bit. And I got it in the matte and poreless finish because I still want a overall like matte look. Last but not least, the Milani Baked Powder Blush in 0.5 Luminoso. So if you can see that color, it's like a pinky color, like a rose pinky color, and it's not, and if I'm not mistaken, I figured that this deeper pink color is better for brown skin tones. So that concludes my Target haul, y'all. Listen, my hair needs to be washed, and today is the day where I just had to get some shit done. But on the bright side, I got it done. So that means that even if you don't feel like it, girlfriend, you can get some done.